Guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a quick get ready with me. I wanted to post this actually before the New Year's, but I wasn't able to. So this is gonna be the star of today's show. Hashtag use up your old makeup, and that's the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And most of my makeup, actually all of my makeup, is things that I've used over and over and over again. I really don't go out to buy new makeup unless I have to, or unless there's a sale or I'm really intrigued by something new that comes out. And I always start out with my foundation, then the eyebrows, and I just work my way down the face. That's the makeup technique that have just always been easy for me ever since I first started learning how to do makeup. I wouldn't consider myself a pro, but I'm not a complete beginner either. I'm somewhere in the middle, but I do want to improve my skills. It's just that I don't wear makeup every single day. I don't have time for it. And now onto the star of the show. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. These are the three colors that I'll be using. It's called Good to Go. That's the dark brown color. Ignite, which is the shimmery color. And Riff, which is the light brown color, which I'll be using in my transition section of my eye. So that's my transition shade. Ignite will go on the crease, and then Good as Gone will go in the corners of my eye. And I'm just sticking with three simple colors because I am not really perfect when it comes to eyeshadow, so I don't want to complicate things and mess up. And that's a good tip for a beginner. Just stick with three colors: light, medium and dark. The medium usually goes in your transition area, the light will go on the eyeshadow lid, and the dark will go on the corners. The palette is £42. It's sold at Debenhams. It had 5-star reviews, and it's a good product. A lot of people who have used this product have liked it. I personally like it myself. I've had it for a year now. And yeah, I started this hashtag use up old makeup because what's the point in going out and constantly buying new makeup when you could just use your old stash? A lot of people just buy things, put it down and never touch it again. But I don't want to do that. I actually want to use the products that I already have. So if you've used this palette before, let me know down below. How do you like it? And what type of looks have you done? It would be interesting to see some looks as well that other beginners have done. And I always have to touch up my eyes because for some reason they always get messed up. I think I need to start using more than one eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.